Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the chance to me to present my paper, which title is Effect of Volcanic and Biocarbon Zeolith Filtration on pH, EC, and TGS values of Karst groundwater. My name is Budiyanto and my team is Muzayana and Aida Kurniawati. We come from Geotherapy Education Department, Social Science Law and Law Faculty, Universitas Negeri Surabaya. The background of the research are groundwater is the main source of clean water for residents in Karst area, but is very vulnerable to pollution or contamination. Water is obtained from cave or springs that appear in certain places. Filtration is a very important process because naturally karst landscapes do not provide good protection against groundwater. Was thus entered in the karst sinkhole with the water flow. Large infiltration of resurgence river and water can easily bring contaminant into the groundwater system. The left side is the picture of Western karst sinkhole. There are a sinkhole in karst Gunung Sewu. And the bottom is a large infiltration of the resurgent river. This is a Kremeng river in Ponjong area. The aim of this study is to determine the effect of filtration with sand, biocarbon, and zeolith materials on the pH, DC, or electric conductivity and TGS, total dissolved solid values. The method of the research is using two methods. The first method is using by spirit filter tube, and the second method is assembled filter tubes. The research was conducted using an experimental method using 3 filtration tubes filled with 3 materials. The tubes are filled with filtration material in the form of volcanic sand, biocarbon, and zeolith. In the method 1, or spirit filter tube method, the first method, each tube is spirited, not assembled. The filtration process is carried out on each of these tubes individually. Measurement of parametric value is carried out in each of these filtration process. In the second method, or assembled filtration tube, the entire tube is assembled by another. Parameter measured were carried out on the filtration results of the 3 interconnected filtration tubes. The result of the research, pH value method 1, in method 1, the rate of increase in the filtration rate of volcanic sand material given the highest increase in pH. It's shown in the diagram in the right side. The increase of pH value of sand filtration is almost twice that of biocarbon and zeolith materials. The t-test values of 0.0014 and 0.0382 and 0.0025 respectively. So the t-test shown that all significant result. Result on EC values method and with method 1. The 3 filtration material are able to reduce the EC values with the largest decrease in the filtration process using volcanic sand material. The difference using the t-test method shows that the significant is only filtration with volcanic sand, but the filtration with biocarbon and zeolith shows that there are difference significantly. The results of TGS value in the method 1. The volcanic sand material separately was able to absorb as much as 17 ppm of dissolved solid. The t-test method showed the values of significant, but in others, biocarbon and zeolith is not significant. The t-test values indicates that a significant change in the TGS value is often found in the filtration using volcanic sand materials. It is similar with EC value in method 1. Result in pH, EC, TGS in method 2. The increasing of the pH value is in all samples. The increasing in the pH value range from 0.0 to 0.82. The test results show the decrease of the value of this EC parameter, and the ring and mean of TGS values show the decrease in concentration due to the filtration process. The diagram can see in the right side of the picture. Conclusion. The filtration process using volcanic sand, biocarbon and zeolith material is able to increase the pH value and reduce the electric conductivity and total dissolved salt values. The use of volcanic sand and biocarbon and zeolith simultaneously gives better results than the filtration process with spirit material. Thank you very much.